Hi children, welcome to our math class. In the previous class we learned about word problems in the exercise 3.6 up to 4th problem completed. Today 5th problem. Today problem is the 5th problem. Cinema. Which number is smaller 7258 or 7285 and by how much? Which one is the smaller? Given here two numbers. In these two numbers, which one is the smaller, which one is the bigger? Asking here. Okay? See now, first of all compare these two numbers. Compare the two numbers. See, 7258 and 7285. Compare this. First of all, write the place values. See, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Here also write ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Compare the place values. First of all, see now. First of all, compare in the thousands place. See here 7. Here also 7. Both are 7. In the both are in the thousand place 7 and 7. Next go to the hundred place. Now compare the hundred place. See now. Here 100, the 100 plus 2, then this number also 100 plus 2. Both are same. Next, go to the tens place. In this number, tens plus 5. In this number, tens plus 5. In this number, tens plus 8. Here 5, here 8. In the 10th place, different numbers. Different digits. See here 5, here 8. Compare this. Which one is the smaller? 5 or 8? Which one is the smaller? 5 or 8? 5 is the smaller than 8. 8 is bigger here. Okay, so which number is the big smaller? This one. The first number. 7258. The smaller number is the 7258. Understood now? So now write solution. The smaller number is solution. The smaller numbers 7258. 7258. This is the smaller. Next, what asking here? By how much? How much the smaller this number? Okay. So subtract the 7285. Subtract the 7258 from 7285. Okay, so now write down 7285 minus 7258. See now, subtract. 5 minus 8 is the possible? Not possible. So take borrow from tens place to ones place. Here 10 plus 5, 15. 10 plus 5 is the 15. But here first of all here 8. But 1 10 has gone to 1's place. How many tens are here now? 7. 8 become a 7. 15 minus 8. See now here 8, here 15. This is the subtraction. So backward counting. 8. So I take 8 fingers. Here 15. Backward. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. So 15 minus 8 is the 7. Okay. Next, the tens place. 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5. How much? 2. 2. The 100 place. 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 is the 0. 7 minus 7 also 0. How much difference here? 27. The difference is here 27. Now write down the difference. DIFF ENC. The difference is 27. How much the difference here? 27. Okay? This problem is over. Next to sixth one problem. That is your homework. The sum of two numbers is 7,889. If one of them is 2,880, find the other number. Same as this second one problem like that. That is your homework. Here given here two numbers 7,889. One number given here 2,880. Find out the other number. So subtract the 2,880 from 7,889. Okay? That is your homework. Same like that second one problem. Okay? Next to seventh one problem. Final. A factory produced 8,550 bulbs. Out of them 4,599 bulbs were supplied to distributors. How many bulbs are left now? See now totally the factory produced how many bulbs? 8,550. Totally factory produced 8,550. Out of them 4,599 bulbs were supplied. In that bulbs, some bulbs 4,599 supplied to distributors. Remaining how many bulbs are there? Remaining how many bulbs are in that factory? Okay, understood? Totally 8,550 bulbs in factory. Some bulbs are supplied distributors. Remaining bulbs are how many there? How many are there? So now write solution. So this one addition problem or subtraction problem? Subtraction. So now write the solution. The total number of bulbs, the total number of bulbs. How many are there? 8,550. How many bulbs are supplied? 4,590. Number of bulbs supplied to distributors. How many? 4,599. 4,500. 8,550. Okay? How many are there? So now subtract these two numbers. What will get the answer? The answer is the remaining problem. Remaining bulbs are. Okay? First of all, subtract this. 0 minus 9. 0 minus 9 is possible? Not possible. So take 1. Borrow from 10 place to 1 plus 10 plus 0 is the 10. Here, first of all, here 5 tens, but 1 10 has gone to 1's place. How many tens are there now? Only 4. So now 5 become a 4. 10 minus 9. 10 minus 9. Here 10, here 9. Backward counting. I take 9 fingers. The backward counting. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So now here 1. See Nana, 4 minus 9 is possible? Not possible. Here also take borrow from 100 plus to 10's place. So now take borrow. 10 plus 4, 14. 10 plus 4, 14. First of all here 500. But here that now 100 is gone to 10th place. How many hundreds are there? Only 400. So 5 become 4. Now subtracting 10th place. 14 minus 9. 14 minus 9. So here 9. 9 fingers 14. Backward counting. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So the difference is here 5. Okay. Next, the 100 plus figure. 4 minus 5. Here also not possible. 5 is greater than to 4. So not possible. So now take borrow from 1000 place to 100 place. So now take place 4. 14. 8 plus 4? 14. So, first of all here 8. 8 becomes 7. Now 14 minus 5. Here 5. Okay? Here 14. So backward. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. The difference is here 9. Okay? Next now. 7 minus 4. How much is 7 minus 4? Here 4. 6, 5, 4, 3. 7 minus 4 is a 3. 3951. How many verbs are remaining? 3951. Remaining verbs are remaining. The remaining verbs are remaining verbs. How many? 3951. Okay? Understood, Nana? 5th and 7th. See Nana, 8 one problem. See, they got 7,750 eggs in a poultry. Out of them, 3,478 eggs are sold. How many eggs are left now? See Nana, how many eggs are in a poultry totally? 7,750 eggs. Okay, in that some eggs 3,478 eggs are sold. How many eggs are left? How many? The remaining eggs are. How many remaining are there? Totally poultry lo 7,750 eggs ఉన్నాయి. ఇందులో నుండి 3,478 eggs are sold. అమ్మబడి. Remaining how many eggs are there? ఇంకా ఎన్ని eggs ఉన్నాయని అడుగుతుంది. So, alright. Solution. Totally, how many eggs are there? 7,750. The total number of eggs. How many? 7,750. How many eggs are sold? 3,470. Number of eggs sold. How many? 3,478. Now subtract 3,478 subtract from 7,750. Okay? 0 minus 8 is the possible? Not possible. Take the 10 minus 8. Here 5 become a 4. 10 minus 8. Nana, the 8 backward from me. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So 10 minus 8, the difference is 2. Here 4 minus 7. Is it possible? Not possible. So take value from 100 plus 2, 10 plus 10 plus 4, 14. First of all, here 7 hundreds. 100 has gone to 10 plus. Remaining how many hundreds are there? 7. So 6. Sorry. 7 become a 6. Now subtraction 10 plus 14 minus 7. Here 14. Then 14. So subtract. Here 7. Take 7 fingers. Backward. 13, 12. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Here 6 minus 4. So here 4. So I take 4 fingers. Backward counting. 5, 4, 3, 2. 6 minus 4 is the 2. The last 7 minus 3. Here 7, here 3. Here 7. 6, 5, 4. So the difference is 4,272. So how many eggs are there? Remaining how many eggs are there? 4,272. Remaining eggs. How many? 4,272. Totally remaining eggs are there 4,272. Okay, this is the 8th problem. See Nana, Your textbook page number is 42. Ninth one problem. Two persons donated a total sum of 9,000 rupees for flood relief fund. If one of them donated 6,325, find the donation of the other person. Same as this. The sixth problem, like this. Okay, sixth and ninth one is your homework. Okay, children, bye.